In this video, I'm going to break down what are SolidWorks certifications, why they are important, and how to get them, and how they can actually then improve your career or even start your career. So what are SolidWorks certifications? So these are the official certifications created by the Solid Systems, which is the company that created SolidWorks, and this certification tests your real modeling skills. Okay, so they're going to measure whether you understand the key aspects of SolidWorks modeling and if you can apply them effectively. So there are 7 key competency areas. One is the modeling workflow. So you must know what is the most efficient sequence of steps to create a certain model, right? Then we have tool selection. You must know which tools to choose for a specific modeling task. Then we have assembly logic. You have to know how to create and manage complex assemblies. Then we have design intent. That means, okay, if I change one dimension or some parameter in my model, will my model break, right? And if you design with intent, then it will not break, it will adjust with that new dimension. Then we have sketching accuracy, creating precise sketches with the proper dimensions that are fully defined. And then we have drawing communication, creating clear technical drawings that communicate effectively, right, that are ready for the manufacturing. And then the last one is speed under pressure. And that means completing modeling tasks efficiently within time constraints, right? So you'll be able to do all of these things under the pressure because you'll be time limited. So this is about what are SolidWorks certification. Now we have 3 certifications. We have CSWA, CSWP, and CSWE. So let's start with CSWA. This is Certified SolidWorks Associate, and this is for beginners to intermediate level. So what you have to prove on these exams? Clean sketches, so you must build fully defined sketches with proper dimensions. Then stable features. You have to know basic features like extruded boss, extruded cut, fillet, chamfer, shell, patterns, and so on. Then you must know design workflow, right? You have to know how to plan and execute basic design process. Then we have part recreation, where you have to show how to recreate part accurately from views, from the drawing view. Then also we have simple assemblies. You must be able to build and manage simple assembly structures. And also drawing views. You don't have to create drawing views, but you have to show that you understand drawing views because you have to recognize different drawing views. Now, why CSWA matters? Because it proves you're not a random tutorial watcher or student. Shows that you understand the foundation, and this certification alone sets you apart from the 80-90% of the beginners, okay? And when you build your career in SolidWorks, this is often required, okay? Especially when you go to the internships and your first get jobs. But also it will give you confidence. So this is CSWA. Then we have CSWP, which is Certified SolidWorks Professional. And this will take you from intermediate SolidWorks user to the advanced. So you have to demonstrate solving complex modeling problems, right? You'll have to tackle advanced modeling challenges with creative solutions. You have to know how to plan multi-step workflow. So you have to design efficient sequences for complex models. Then we have use design intent correctly. So that means creating models that reflect the original design intent. Then we have modify models without breaking. That means you have to create, update, proof designs that withstand modifications, right? Maybe you have to add some feature, maybe you have to take away some feature, change some dimension, and then when you update your model, it must not break, okay? Also build multi-body parts, create and manage complex multi-body components. Now, why CSWP matters? Because it's going to put you in the top 15% of SolidWorks users, right? It's going to place you in the elite tier of SolidWorks professionals. And it's industry recognized. It's recognized by engineering managers globally. So if you want to start your career or improve, right, this will get you to the better projects, better pay, and stronger CV, right? And also you're going to develop professional mindset, right? You're going to demonstrate that you can actually think like a designer and not just like a tool clicker. So this is CSWP, and then we have CSWE, which is Certified SolidWorks Expert. So you must prove master level modeling logic, right? Expert level approach to complex modeling challenges. You must have a deep workflow understanding, right? Comprehensive knowledge of advanced modeling's workflows. Then you have to understand complex feature planning, like advanced feature creation and management skills, strong surfacing techniques, expert level surfacing and multi-body modeling, and elite level problem solving, advanced analytical thinking for complex challenges, right? Now, why CSWE matters? Because this is super strong market differentiator, right? Sets you apart in competitive job market, proves your mastery, right? This is ideal for senior roles or consulting positions. And then professional credibility gives you huge professional credibility. So CSWE is the gold standard for SolidWorks expertise, recognized globally for its relevance. So if you want to build career in SolidWorks, CSWP is enough. But if you want to get into the senior roles, if you want to get into the consulting positions, then CSWE is must have. Now, why certification matter for your career? SolidWorks certifications provide tangible benefits that can accelerate your career development. Okay, it proves you have the real skills, right? Because anyone can watch YouTube, but not everyone can rebuild the model or the pressure correctly. Okay, and certification shows you can do it. Then you can stand out in the market. Like there are thousands of beginners, but only small percentage of them have certifications. So they're going to look at those who have certification and they're going to stand out. Then learn workflow. Now, to pass certification, you'll have to learn how designers think, feature workflow, design intent, clean sketches, and update proof modeling. And it will give you confidence. Passing a timed industry recognized exam removes the self-doubt that stops many beginners from applying for jobs. Now, here's the career path that you should take, right? You go, you learn the skills, you learn the workflow, you learn the tools, then you get certifications, you build a portfolio to showcase your work, right? You build the models. Then also you can build projects, you can get into some projects, and then you'll get much better job offers, okay? Whether that's freelancing job offers or some industry job offers like in the companies that you apply for. So right now, if you're a complete beginner, start with CSWA, move to the CSWP. CSWA is not something you should take, right? Only if you're more experienced already, SolidWorks user with industry experience, then go for a CSWE. Otherwise, go for a CSWA in CSWP, and you'll be able to stand to the job market, get better jobs, get higher pay, and get better freelancing projects. And also, you're going to build confidence. Now, if you want preparation for this, I help thousands of people pass CSWA and CSWP. I have a proven systems. You can just click the link below and you can check them out. See you in another video.